So today I'll be showing you the two new AI photo editing tools in iOS 27. So these are reframe and extend. So when you go to edit a photo using AI tools, so you go to your gallery as usual, pick a photo like this one for instance, and then tap on the edit button and then tap on tools to go to the AI tools. You will see extend and reframe. Now these are brand new that have come with iOS 27. So cleanup is the usual. You can use it to clean up and remove items from your photo or subjects in your photo that you don't want in your photo. I'm going to go back to that one later. Let me start with extend. So extend basically extends the frame of your picture. So let's say this photo or the bonnet of this car is too much close to the edge for your liking. You can actually extend that by tapping on extend, and then you can see the extension. So basically this is where it can extend upwards as well, and a bit on the right side and a bit on the lower side, but this is where it can extend the most. It's going to show you by blurring it, so you can even pinch to zoom in if you want a bit more extension, and it shows you how much it's going to extend. So most of it for me is going to be on the right, on the left, and at the top. So tap on extend, and you have to allow it a couple of moments to do its thing. So let's just wait. And once it's done, you can see it has regenerated some more grass right here, and the photo looks more, it has a bit more depth than it had before. So if you want to look at the original, you just close this and you can see what it looked like before. So if you wanted it, then you could have tapped on save. Now let me show you reframe. Now I can even use a different photo to show you reframe. If you open up a photo like this and go to the AI editing tools and then tap on reframe, it's going to take a moment to sort of analyze the picture. And then now you can reframe the photo. Maybe you can choose a slightly different angle. You cannot choose a very dramatically different angle. It has to be something very slight. So let's say you can switch it to there, and you want the photo to appear as if it was taken from that angle. So once you turn it, then you can tap on reframe, and it's going to use Apple Intelligence to sort of recreate the section of the image that was not seen, so that it appears like you took the photo from a slightly different angle. Okay, so basically that's what reframing is all about. So let's just wait for it to work its thing. There you go, and now we have that photo that looks like that, and the original looks something completely different. Okay, so that's reframed, that's original, reframed, original. So you can see the difference. It's not very dramatic, but it's a significant difference. Now I'm gonna go back to cleanup because I feel like Apple has also cleaned up the cleanup feature basically, so they've kind of refined it. Now if you tap on cleanup, let's go back to the original photo. Here it is. So if you go to the cleanup option, you'll see something called auto. Now with auto basically means you can choose whether you want a fast cleanup or a high quality cleanup. Now a high quality cleanup basically takes its time to sort of clean up or remove whatever you want it to remove and regenerate the best version it can think of. Now it takes a bit more time, but I promise you it's worth it. So if you choose high quality and then select whatever it is you want to clean up. So for instance, I'm gonna remove these jerry cans for instance. So I just select them, tap on cleanup, and you'll notice it now takes much more time than it used to take to sort of clean up and regenerate what it thinks was can replace the area that was occupied by jerry cans. So it's done. So you can see what that looks like. It looks like it was exactly the way it was taken. If I hit the back button, you can see the difference. Okay, so that's the original and that's the cleaned up photo. So that is basically how to use the AI editing tools in the gallery app of your iOS 27 iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.